Hello there. I was planning to make just another normal update video. As usual, I want to show you the performance of my account. I'm also going to perform another live withdrawal. Let's see how that goes today. But when I was checking my account, I found something new. I'm looking at this strange level system. They just introduced this option, so I went to learn a little bit about it. I think the platform is starting to feel way more complex than the original version. During this video, I want to explain how that works. If you've been following my videos, you already know the idea here is simple. I test platforms in real conditions. I like to document what actually happens over time. Not hype, not promises, just observation. Assetara is an option that I found a few weeks ago. It's one of the higher risk platforms I'm following right now. Yes, it has some limited transparency, I would say, but it doesn't behave like the typical staking website. In every update, I find something new inside the ecosystem. But before all of that, I want to start with the withdrawal because I have a small balance here. And I want to do this first because usually I receive those payouts pretty fast. So I hope I can show this on camera. I'm going to change here the network. I'm going to claim the 33.61. There is a network fee of 1 USDT. Let me provide my PIN code and then I'll confirm it. I'll be back. There you go. It's supposed to come to this balance, so let's see how long it takes to arrive. So right now inside my account, my USD plan is still active, and I also have some staking. I'm staking some tokens here. I finished one of the plans already. This is my second staking plan. Rewards continue updating daily. Also here in the task area, I've been collecting some rewards. We have daily task, we have weekly task, monthly, one-time task. All I need to do is come here, claim, and those rewards are added right here to this balance. And I can swap those points into tokens and eventually into different cryptocurrencies. And guys, I just received here the report in my wallet. We just received the payout. Let's check it out. Yes, we got it. There is 33.61 1 minute ago. So another successful withdrawal from Assetara. Obviously, this doesn't remove the risk, but it's still an important thing to monitor. So we got it. Now, today I noticed something strange here in the left side panel. They have this section called levels, and if we go there, well, I didn't really understand how that works. Looks more like a game. So I went to the website to find more information about that, and they have here the Assetara level system. Basically, every time we interact with the platform, we are going to gain XP. If we perform deposit or activate staking plans, buying tokens, referrals, or even the vault participation, all of that is going to generate points. Those points are called XP. If your XP grows, then you're going to increase the level of your account. Each level is going to unlock new token rewards, new bonuses, and some other extra benefits. That's what they say in the webpage. It's very similar to gaming rewards or exchange VIP systems in different exchange platforms. So the vault is the interesting part. So we can use these vault keys that we are going to get after the different activities inside the system. And you can use these keys to open any of these doors. Let's try it. Well, I already tried it because I had 3 keys. And right here I put 1, but I didn't get anything. So let's try these other 2. I'm gonna click in this one, and let's see what happens. It's gonna give us a number. It says door cracked. Okay, we got something. 0.12 USDT. That's okay. Keep going. I have one more. So we do the same. We select any of those options, and let's see what we got this time. 0038. Okay, cool. Another 0.13. That's how it works, and it all depends of our deposit and participation inside the system. To me, this is more advanced than many basic crypto staking platforms. Instead of only using the staking option, they are trying to keep users emotionally engaged inside the ecosystem. From the design perspective, it's more sophisticated, perfect for those that like to have an active participation in these type of projects. But we also need to be realistic, because even with all of these features, transparency is still limited, trading activity is not fully verifiable, and systems with strong reward mechanisms requires a strong community. To me, this is still early to give a final verdict. That's why I'm treating this more like an ongoing experiment, obviously not a recommendation. Right now, withdrawals continue working without any issue. The staking cycles are completed without any problem. If you want to see how that works, I have a full video explaining step by step the whole process. But actually, it's super simple. If you want to buy the tokens, you need to connect your wallet. After you connect your wallet, you can purchase using any type of crypto. Then you purchase the tokens right here, and those ones are going to be deposited in your wallet. Now, if you want to stake those tokens, then you come right here to this tab, select the option that you prefer, and transfer again the tokens from your wallet to the platform. I created a separate wallet only for this project. I also like the daily rewards, and for that option, I'm using the plans. They have different plans starting at 10 USDT minimum deposit, giving you a 1% daily up to 1.8% daily. It all depends of your risk capital. But with this option, I can decide how much, how long I want my plan, starting from 21 days up to 140 days. There is also a compounding option, so I can build it the way I want it. That's the USD plan that I have right here, that is giving me daily rewards, and I can collect those USDT at any time, just like we did it before. I'm gonna keep documenting all of this. I'm gonna keep observing, no big conclusions yet. I will say this platform is becoming more and more interesting in terms of structure, and now the important question is, can this ecosystem remain stable long term? That's what we are going to find out. And if you want to see my future updates, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay in the loop. If you have any questions for me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description. Well, guys, this is all that I want to show you today. Thank you so much for your company. Happy compoundings, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the Crypto Leader. Bye.